Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to download the RealteK audio driver in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So, for your sound to work properly, you're going to need this. We'll guide you step by step so you know exactly what to do to get it. So, I'll show you. Press search at the bottom and type in Device Manager, like this. You want to open it. This will show all the devices on your system. What we're going to do is find Audio Inputs and Outputs at the top and click the arrow on the left to expand it. You'll see your RealteK audio listed here. So now we can go ahead and get the driver for it. You may have done this before or maybe not. That's completely fine. Now, open any web browser you like. In this case, I'll use Google Chrome, but it doesn't really matter. Then go to the RealteK website. I'll guide you through it since it can be a bit confusing. Type in RealteK and open realtek.com from the top result. Once you're on the website, we need to find the drivers. Go to the top left, click on the three lines, then find and click on Downloads. This will open more options like Overview, Communication Network ICs, Computer Peripheral ICs, Multimedia, and Smart Interconnect ICs. Click on Computer Peripheral ICs. Then, at the top, go to Product Line and choose a subcategory. Click there and select PC Audio Codecs. Next, choose another subcategory and select High Definition Audio Codecs. Now you'll see different options. We'll go with this one here as it's commonly used. On the right side, click on Software. This will take you to the download page. You'll see multiple versions listed on the right. Most systems these days are 64-bit. You can confirm this by pressing the Windows button, typing Settings, and opening it. Then search for About or About Your PC. Scroll down to System Type and check if it says 64-bit or 32-bit. Most computers will be 64-bit. Now choose the correct version. We're looking for the executable file. It may not specifically mention Windows 11, but it will still work. I've used it before. Then click on the Download button on the left. You'll be taken to another page. Make sure to accept the terms. Read through if you want, then click I accept and press Download this file. You'll need to enter the CAPTCHA, so type it in and click Submit. The download will now start. If it gets blocked, go to the top right and click Download Unverified File. Then it will begin downloading. Wait for it to finish. Once done, go to File Explorer and open your Downloads folder to find it. Then install it like any other program. Just double-click the .exe file and follow the steps. After installing, restart your computer. And that's it. It should now be working properly. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. I'll see you again with more guides. Have a great day.